Hey there, future online moneymakers! Welcome to today's video where we're diving into 4 ways for the exciting world of making money online. First one is freelancing and gig economy. Whether it's writing, designing, or coding, platforms like Upwork and Fiverr connect you with clients seeking your skills. Turn your passion into profit. Second one is e-commerce and dropshipping. Now let's explore e-commerce. Launch your online store, source products, or opt for dropshipping. Websites like Shopify make it easier than ever to start your own business. Third one is content creation and affiliate marketing. Content creation. Share your expertise on YouTube, blogs, or products. Combine it with affiliate marketing to earn a commission by promoting products you love. Fourth one is online courses and digital products. Last but not least, online courses and digital products. If you're a pro at something, share your knowledge. Platforms like Teachable help you create and sell courses. So there you have it, folks! From freelancing to digital products, the online world offers endless opportunities to turn your skills into income. Choose what suits you best, dive in, and start making money online today!